showed me a checkers game, so I
Claire, how do you want your eggs?
I played it. Whenever I
Oh, you don't want eggs, do you?
if I hit this guy and then he could hit that guy.
Yeah. How do you want them?
It wouldn't.
Scrambled?
It told me I had to skip that player, or else I wouldn't be able to do anything. One time, I was like, "Where is this player? Where is this player?"
Chore day continues. We are now headed to Walmart to get a new camper tire. And what else are we planning on doing? Something fun.
Yep.
We don't know what yet.
We're doing something fun and
we'll figure that out.
just seeing Denver, I guess.
We're gonna do some sightseeing today.
So those are my parents. They're doing a car wash. And yeah. You were so bad at that, Claire. I'm really good at it, Aiden. Just so you know. Well, by the way, you're stupid at it. Yeah, true, Claire. What's that? That is a poem. So, I don't care about people on YouTube. Look at my parents doing that. What are they doing? It only gave it 1 minute. And then it's making him pay my dad. It's making my dad pay again. And Aiden, you can't do that. And wow, that is really, 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 really cool. Mom?
decided to do our observations today while the kids are up, so this might be a little bit louder than normal.
We've got quiet kids, so it should be okay.
Not true. So, observations for today. We saw some animals that we've never seen before in real life. So we saw a caribou, which nearly ran onto the freeway, but was stopped by the fence. So we're thankful for that, but really cool to see a caribou. We saw a bird that we did not know what kind of bird it was, so we got out our wildlife book, or is it a wildlife book, or it's like a nature book. It has plants in it and animals and amphibians and fish and all that stuff. So we got that out, and we found out that it is
magpie.
A magpie. Yes.
Black-billed magpie.
And our observation of the magpie is that it is a scavenger bird, because it was, as we were driving to the dumpster with our trash on the back of the truck, it was trying to get the trash and flying along with us and pecking at it, and landed on the tonneau cover, and it was pretty interesting.
The kids loved it.
Yeah, they did.
Yep.
Do you have any observations?
Well, you missed the prairie dogs.
Oh, yes, we saw prairie dogs, which were heard carry viruses and nasty things, so we decided we're not going to mess with the prairie dogs, that we will observe them from afar.
Yep.
They're cute, though.
Yep.
But they are rodents, so the kids wanted to take one home. I said, no, not happening. Your turn.
I don't know of any observations.
Okay, my other
Sorry.
observation is when something gets wet in the camper, like clothing or towels or things like that, we have plenty of spaces to hang those things up to try and get them to dry, but they do not dry. So we had some wet shoes today, and we did put those on the heat vents, and those got dry, but the towels, they just simply do not get dry no matter what we do. So if it's wet and raining outside and you're unable to hang things up outside, they will not dry inside the camper. We have a child messing with our settings on the GoPro. Don't touch the GoPro,
We've
child.
got
Two observers.
Claire is quite the blogging personality already.
Blogging or vlogging?
Vlogging.
Oh, she's cute.
Vlogging personality. She's got some definite facial expressions that are pretty cute and funny. Although she doesn't like the word cute. But, yeah.
Okay,
Guess that's it for today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.